Writing numbers in words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Let us now learn to write the numbers 1 to 25 in words. Let us revise the numbers in words. The number 1 is written in words as ONE 1. 2 is written in words as TWO 2. 3 is written in words as THREE 3. 4 is written in words as FOUR 4. 5 is written in words as FIVE 5. 6 is written in words as SIX 6. 7 is written in words as SEVEN 7. 8 is written in words as EIGHT 8. 9 is written in words as NINE 9. 10 is written in words as TEN 10. 11 is written in words as ELEVEN 11. 12 is written in words as TWELVE 12. 13 is written in words as THIRTEEN 13. 14 is written in words as FOURTEEN 14. 15 is written in words as FIFTEEN 15. 16 is written in words as SIXTEEN 16. 17 is written in words as SEVENTEEN 17. 18 is written in words as EIGHTEEN 18. 19 is written in words as NINETEEN 19. 20 is written in words as TWENTY 20. 21 is written in words as TWENTYONE 21. 22 is written in words as TWENTY TWO 22. 23 is written in words as TWENTY THREE 23. 24 is written in words as TWENTY FOUR 24. 25 is written in words as TWENTY FIVE 25. Let us now practice writing a few given example number in words taken randomly. 9 is written in words as 9. 12 is written in words as 12. 19 is written in words as 19. 23 is written in words as 23. 15 is written in words as 15. 11 is written in words as 11. Now, children, practice writing the numbers 1 to 25 in words in serial order. Then, practice them in words at random, means from anywhere in between. Now, let us write the following number using numerals. 24 is equal to 24, that is 2 for 20, 4 for 4 units. 17 is equal to 1 7. 7 is equal to single digit 7. 12 is equal to 1 2. 21 is equal to 2 1. See the table alongside. Let us fill the required numbers in words in the given boxes. 24 is written in words as 24. 21 is written in words as 21. 22 is written in words as 22. 20 is written in words as 20. 18 is written in words as 18. 16 is written in words as 16. 15 is written in words as 15. 11 is written in words as 11. 12 is written in words as 12. Single digit 9 is written in words as 9. Single digit 7 is written in words as 7. Single digit 6 is written in words as 6. Single digit 5 is written in words as 5. Single digit 2 is written in words as 2. In the empty boxes, write in words the numbers that come in serial order. Solution: 18, 19, 20. Thus, after 18, the number is 19 and then 20. 9, 10, 11. After 9, the two numbers are 10 and 11. Students, write the numbers from 1 to 25 in words and practice.